Since Toyota is a Japanese brand, most people automatically assume every Toyota car is made overseas. However, you may be surprised to learn this is not the case at all. Multiple dealerships, showrooms, and corporate offices located right here in the States establish Toyota's large presence on American soil. So Toyota of North Charlotte is here to explain to you how Toyota is more of an American company than you may think. First, let's talk numbers. There are 10 Toyota manufacturing plants and more to come in the States. Presently, there are 1,500 Toyota and Lexus dealerships on U.S. soil. Toyota has built 25 million cars in America since 1986. There are over 136,000 Toyota employees in the United States. Toyota has created 470,000 jobs in America. Toyota has a $23.4 billion investment in the United States and a $27 billion dealer investment. Toyota has donated over $921 million in 55,000 service hours to U.S. communities. The official Toyota Motor Sales USA was established in 1957 and actual manufacturing kicked off in 1972. In addition to all of this, Toyota has several research and design facilities spread throughout the country. At these locations, the masterminds behind the cars work to constantly improve our vehicles by brainstorming new performance, mobility, and safety technologies. Matter of fact, these Toyota facilities have received more patents than any other automaker in the world since 2009. And with such a large American presence, it's inevitable that a handful of our Toyota models are entirely built and manufactured in the States. So see if your favorite is an American made. The Toyota Avalon and Camry are made in Kentucky. The Toyota Corolla is manufactured in Mississippi. The Toyota Sienna, Sequoia, and Highlander come from Indiana. And the Toyota Tundra and Tacoma are built in Texas. If you're in the market for a new set of wheels that's American made, stop by Toyota of North Charlotte. As you can see, we have a wide selection of American made cars to choose from. Not to mention, all of our vehicles are safe, reliable, and tech-driven. So what are you waiting for? Call us at 704-875-9199 and schedule your test drive today.